Hi there, Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this YouTube Ads Made Easy review. Now, for those of you struggling with your YouTube ads, or even those of you who are looking for a course to give away to your audience, this is really going to help you out. Now, in a nutshell, YouTube Ads Made Easy does two things. One, it teaches you what basically the title says, which is the ins and outs of how to create effective YouTube ads. And number two, it's a PLR product, so it's gonna enable you to rebrand it and resell it to your audience as well. So we're gonna take a deep dive in a second. I'll show you exactly how it works, and I'm gonna show you how you can make money from it. Now, as you can see, a lot of people have found success using this product already, so that means if they can do it, you can do it. You, however, are gonna find even more success than they did, because while they had to start at step 1, you get to start on step 26. What do I mean by that? Well, with this launch, I'm gonna hook you up with 26 deluxe bonus products to go hand in hand with YouTube Ads Made Easy. Yes, you heard that right, 26 bonuses that you're really gonna love and they're really gonna help you get the most out of YouTube Ads Made Easy. Okay, before we get into it, please help me out and drop a like on this video. And if you want immediate access to all my new content, subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Okay, let's get into it. Now, just quickly, if you want to check out YouTube Ads Made Easy, all my free exclusive deluxe bonuses for yourself at any time during this video, click the link down in the description. These bonuses are only available through my link. Once you click the link in the description, you'll go to my bonus page, which looks like this. Now, my bonus page is integrated with the vendor sales page. So the way it works is when you click on any of these buttons here, it locks in your bonuses so that when you go through to the product sales page and make a purchase, you'll receive YouTube Ads Made Easy and my bonuses all in one convenient bundle that you can access immediately. So easy peasy. So these are my bonuses down here, and I just want you to know that I only ever source high quality bonuses with products I review. Now, most people who offer bonuses, they go around the web and they find these free, outdated PDFs that really don't offer you any value. So if you like collecting PDFs though, go for it. But if you want some bonuses that are useful and have a proven track record of having helped other people, you might like these bonuses a bit more. Word of warning though, these bonuses will be unavailable once this countdown hits 0. So really make sure you pick them up. I don't want you to miss out on this package that you can get. Just a ton of value today. Now, really quickly, so deluxe bonus number 1 is called YouTube Authority. It's just a massive course on everything YouTube. How to create video that is considered good content, how to go viral with it. It goes into, the importance of descriptions, headings, thumbnails, tags, marketing your YouTube videos. So just any questions you have, this really leaves no stone left unturned. Not so much on YouTube ads, but really anything else, all your fundamental YouTube knowledge, it's all in here. Deluxe bonus number 2 is just a full package on YouTube channel SEO. Works a little bit differently from Google SEO. So if you're ranking, in Google but not YouTube, or vice versa, this is a really good thing to go through just to find out all the ins and outs on YouTube SEO. Bonus number 3 is WordPress YouTube leads. This is a WordPress plugin that's going to help you generate leads from your YouTube channel to get into your mailing list. People say that the money's made in the list. If you don't have a mailing list, you need to start working on that. And if you're running YouTube, you want to direct people with a link in your description back to your website or blog or whatever landing page in order to, capture your audience. Rather than have people just come and watch and leave, you should be trying to capture them. So this is a great plugin that's going to create good lead generation for you in order to help you capture your audience so you can re-engage with them on your terms. Bonus number 4. You might think this is a bit out into right field, but it's really not. This is called Podcast Mastery, how to create a successful podcast for your business. Now, if you're running anything on YouTube, there's no reason why you shouldn't have a podcast. If anyone ever listens to Gary Vaynerchuk, he's massive on podcasts. Why? Because people love consuming content passively. And there's one major way you can do that, and that's by content that you can listen to, i.e. podcasts. If you're running YouTube, there's no reason why you can't convert your video on a random conversion site. I like convert to mp3.com. Your YouTube videos, put it on anchor.fm, which will then blast it out onto all the major podcasting platforms, Spotify, Google Play, iTunes, Stitcher. There's like a bunch more, half a dozen more. It just throws them out. It's great for your discoverability, and it's great for your SEO. You're getting links on these, high domain authority blogging platforms. No reason, if you're doing video, that you shouldn't be doing audio. It takes you 5 minutes to make that conversion over and blast your video out onto the all those podcasting networks. Bonus number 5, I've gotten you a silly hookup, 22 vendor bonuses. It's pure madness. We're gonna go through them here. So bonus number 1, Graphic Designer 101. Bonus 2, various graphics and stock photos. Graphics Whiz. Bonus 4 is graphics for covers and headers. So that's for your social media and YouTube profiles. Bonus 5, opt-in template pack. So graphics for the opt-in forms, which is gonna work amazingly well with the WordPress lead plugin that I've gotten for you. So 5 big graphic related template packs there. Bonus 6, these are ebooks and courses. So social media tips and tricks, social media domination. You can pause the video and have a look at these descriptions, or we'll be here all day. Bonus 8, social media profits, how to increase profits using social media, how people do that. Bonus 9, social media benefits to your business. Social media income Instagram version, so how to generate revenue and make a living through Instagram. And then a similar one here, which is social media income, how to generate and make income through LinkedIn. Bonus 12, social media marketing principles, great for individuals and agencies. If you want to know about agencies, check my video yesterday on Unhustled. Bonus 13, online ads and web traffic. So bonus 14, viral marketing madness. There's some really cool tricks you can find in products relating to viral marketing. Viral marketing is really interesting. You can learn a lot of psychology from things relating to that, why people are drawn to things. Bonus 15, online business X factor, so how to work from home, build a home business. Bonus 16, how to become a YouTube celebrity, so more on becoming a YouTuber, making money as a YouTuber. Crushing it with YouTube, similar sort of thing. The YouTube Master's Guide to Crushing It with Online Video teaches you how to create viral content, I assume. Bonus 18, 20 mini site graphics pack. Back to the graphics. More graphics. And bonus 19, more graphics and content, free content for you to use. Bonus 20, lead generation machines. So this goes into more lead generation and how lead generation works. Again, you can use it with that plugin that I've got for you. Bonus 22, affiliate golf store. This is a case study, I think, that this is a golf store that made a lot of money using Amazon affiliates and from running YouTube ads. So a lot to learn from watching other people, more so than courses, dare I say. Bonus 22 is marketing mini site template. So template, if you want to set up a website really quickly, it's great to have templates. Now, get this. All of these bonuses and YouTube ads made easy, so including the main product, YouTube ads made easy, and the 26 bonuses, 27 products, you all get master resale rights to. That means you can rebrand all of these products, do whatever you want with them, and resell them on under your banner, use them for training and say that they're yours. You can do whatever you want with them. They're basically yours. So massive bundle here. So if this all looks good to you, remember it's step 1, click the link down in the description. You'll be taken to this page. Click on any of these green buttons which will lock in and secure your bonuses. And step 3, you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of YouTube Ads Made Easy. Sales page looks like this. When you get your receipt, there'll be a link in there, or when you go to jvzoo.com and look in your accounts, there'll be a link there, and it will take you to a page that will look like this. So under the green button will be YouTube Ads Made Easy, and under this blue button here will be all of those 26 bonuses, my bonuses plus the vendor bonuses, all there, one big package, ready to rock and roll. Brief look at the sales page. Right now, it's the early bird sales page that you can subscribe to if you want to, but there will be another sales page up in about 24 hours when this goes live. You get your complete success kit here, as they're labeling it. So that's top quality training to sell under your name, hottest and proven seller topics on the web, ready to go sales material to start selling today, sell unlimited copies for life, no charges, no hidden fees, no profit sharing, all the money's yours. You keep all your leads, you keep all your buyers, everything you get out of this, including that which you get from reselling it, is all yours, okay? Don't worry about anything there. And you're getting this success kit in there for free. Now, I'm not sure if that was in the bonus list, but it's possible that that might be 28 products you're getting here. It's almost too much. Now, any pricing you see on the sales page, any discounts, are discounts you're getting by going through the link in the description and my bonus page. Remember, they're both integrated with my selfmadenewbie.com bonus page. So you can check out the sales page in your own time and make an informed decision. So while I couldn't get a hands on a demo to a course, that's often really difficult because obviously they don't want this course to leak because then people wouldn't buy it. And that's generally how it gets leaked, you know, they give it away to the wrong people and they just leak it, you know. But let's just take a quick look at the pricing here. So the front end product is $7. If you get in early during launch week, there is a 80% discount. After that, it's $27. So you get everything you see here, fully rebrandable training, doodle style sales video. So if you've ever seen that YouTube channel, Fighting Mediocrity, it's similar to that. That's the training that you'll be able to use and resell. So really cool stuff. Mini site, templates, mind map, cheat sheets, convertible sales copy, promotional email swipes, so you don't have to mess around with any writing, animated banners, professional graphics, how to set up video training, and top resource report, and some extra bonuses. The upsell for $47 initially during launch week and then later $49 is 20 step-by-step video tutorials. You get upsell doodle style videos, upsell mini sites, voiceover scripts and audio files that you can use if you don't want to talk but you still want to, you know, create promotional video, PowerPoint slides, graphics package for CDs and DVDs, HTML with all video courses and improved sales copy, done for your squeeze page, high quality report to pre-sell the main course, email sequences, 10 YouTube ads, articles, so if you want to put content on a blog and create a site specifically for selling this product, you've got 10 pieces of content, you know, off the bat. And they're going to give you keywords for SEO and PPC purposes, so you don't have to do much thinking if you want to pay for ads running to this product, as well as training, as well as social media profile covers for your social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Google. You can sign up for a $27 a month membership, which is just really updated content and bonuses that they'll keep sending you every month. Keeps your ear to the ground, finger on the pulse. Anything new comes out, any updates, you will be privy to that for this price. Now, while YouTube Ads Made Easy is a great product, it is specific, it is targeted, and it is targeted on running ads, right? So I've really tried to plug in the holes of what it doesn't offer with all of these bonuses here on SEO, creating leads, podcasts, and just this overall fundamental course on generating, or creating, I should say, YouTube authority. So all my bonuses, plus their 22 bonuses, you're getting a whole lot of stuff here. And note that whether you purchase just the front end for $7 or the upsell or the monthly thing, you'll get my bonuses with any one of those packages that you buy, with you choose. So no matter what you choose, you know, all the bonuses are yours. So I hope that was enough info for you to go away and make a decision on what you want to do. When you think about it, there's a ton of value on offer here. Not only can you learn about Facebook ads, you can resell a really good product to your audience, and you get the 26 bonuses with it. As well as that, you get to keep all the bonuses, but you get a money back guarantee on YouTube Ads Made Easy. So really not a lot to lose and a hell of a lot to gain. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop them in the comments. Hit me up on email or social media. I do reply to everyone. If not, enjoy, and I'll see you again on the next one. Take care.